Enjoy the view of this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. The Silverado 3500 HD has the strength to haul the biggest loads and still give you a quiet, smooth ride. You may forget you're in a supersized, heavy-duty truck. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: convenience package, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, V8 engine, tires all-terrain, keyless entry, navigation system, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth connection. You wouldn't use the wrong tool, so why would you get a truck that's not up to the job? Get the Silverado 3500 HD.